going to be doing an installation for the multi-slide on a water-rated door system. So the first step is to locate your two holes that have been milled out. These will be located at every interlock for each panel. The next step is to take your silicone and you're going to silicone in between the two holes. And when you silicone, you want to make sure that the entire hole cannot be seen through. I'm going to silicone the top here or the bottom of here. You want to then take your weather stripping, super glue it into the cover. And I'm going to take your cover, slide it over top of the holes. I'm going to take a drill through the holes, making two spots. I'm going to take two screws and go in two holes that you just drilled.